Welcome to session 5 of chapter number 3 matrices. In the last section, we studied how to multiply two matrices. Today, we are going to deal with some important questions that asked in board examination. So take first question. A equal to 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 and A square equal to PA. Then write the value of P. Where P is a constant. This question asked in CBSE 2013. So first we want to find A square. A square means A into A have to find. A is given as 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 into A. So same matrix 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. This will be equal to you have to multiply. So resultant matrix will be a 2 by 2 matrix. What about A11? In order to get A11, we have to take first row and first column. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So 4 plus 4, 8 you will get here. Then A12, 1, 2. First row and second column you have to multiply. So 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Minus 4, minus 4 will get minus 8. Right. Then A21. Second row, first column, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, that is minus 8. A22, second row, second column, minus 2 into minus 2, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, that is 8. So A square equal to 8 minus 8, minus 8, 8. And now we can substitute this A square in this equation. So A square is equal to P into A. Left hand side we can substitute that value. So left hand side will be 8 minus 8 minus 8 8 is equal to P into A. A is 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. Now we can multiply this matrix by this constant. So left hand side will be same matrix 8 minus 8 minus 8 8 equal to 2P minus 2P minus 2P 2P. Now two matrices are equal, so we can equate corresponding terms. A11 equal to A11 of first matrix. So 2P equal to 8. So value of P equal to 4. So if we equate A12, then also we will get same value. Minus 2P equal to minus 8. So P equal to 4. Second question. This question asked in CBSE 2014. Matrix x plus y, x minus y. That means this is a 2 by 1 matrix. 2 rows and 1 column. Equal to matrix 2, 1, 4, 3 into matrix 1 minus 2. We want to find the value of 2x plus y. That means first you have to find the value of x and y. Then you have to substitute value of x and y in that equation. So left hand side will be x plus y, x minus y. Right hand side you have to multiply these two matrices. So resultant matrix will be a 2 by 1 matrix. 2 by 2 into 2 by 1. Resultant matrix will be a 2 by 1 matrix. So A11, A1, A11, A21. That are the elements. For getting A11, you have to multiply first row and first column. So first row is 2 1 and first column 1 minus 2. So you have to multiply corresponding elements. 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into minus 2, that is 0. 2 minus 2 will get 0. Then A21, second row, first column. 4 into 1 4 plus 3 into minus 2, minus 6. 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. Now these two matrices are equal, so we can equate corresponding elements. So x plus y equal to 0 will get, and x minus y equal to minus 2. Now we can find this value of x and y by elimination method. We can add these two equations. So we'll get 2x equal to minus 2. So value of x will be minus 1. Now substitute x equal to minus 1, any of the equation. So first equation will be minus 1 plus y equal to 0. So value of y equal to 1. So x equal minus 1 and y equal to 1. Therefore, 2x plus y will be equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 1. That is minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is the answer. Now, third question asked in CBSE 2013. A equal to 231 minus 102 1. Now consider third question asked in CBSE 2013. A equal to matrix 231 minus 102 1 minus 1 and f of x is given as x square minus 5x plus 7. We want to find the value of f of a. So if f of x equal to x square minus 5x plus 7, what will be f of a? F of a will be a square. A square will be a matrix. Will be a 3 by 3 matrix because A is a 3 by 3 matrix. Minus 5 into A. 5 into A again will be a 3 by 3 matrix. Plus 7. 7 is a number. Here 7 is a number. So here A square is a matrix. Minus 5 is a matrix. So this should be a matrix. Then only we can add. So matrix corresponding to a number 7 is 7 into I. Like that you have to convert. Important step. Okay. So matrix corresponding to the number 7 is 7 into I. So now we can find this value. First you have to find A square. So A square means 2, 3, 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, minus 1 into same matrix. 2, 3, 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, minus 1. So, I will write answer here. So, resultant matrix will be a 3 by 3 matrix. So, A11, first row, first column. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 3, that is 1. 1 plus 1, 2 will get. Right. Now, A12, first row, second column. Multiply corresponding elements. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. Plus 1, that is 7. Now, A13, 1, 3. First row and third column. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 6, that is 8. 8 minus 1, will get 7. Then, this is A21. Second row, first column, you have to multiply. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Plus 0, plus 2. That means minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Then A22, second row, second column. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3, 0, plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 will get minus 1. Then this one is A23, second row, third column. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2, that is minus 3. Then this one is A31, 3, 1, third row, first column. 2, minus 1, that is 1, minus 1, 0. 2, minus 1, then minus 1, 0. Okay, now this is A32, 3, 2, 3 plus 0 minus 1, that is 2, 3 plus 0 minus 1, that is 2. Okay. Now A33, third row, third column, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 277, 0 minus 3. Now we can substitute these values in this equation. So A square minus 5a plus 7i. This will be equal to 2, 7, 7, 0, minus 1, minus 3, 0, 2, 4, minus 5 into a. So we can write answer directly. Minus 5 into a means you have to multiply a with the number 5. So minus, first element will be 10. 10 15, 5, then minus 5, 0, 10, 5, 5, minus 5, plus 7 into I, 7 into identity matrix. I means identity matrix of order 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That means you have to multiply identity matrix with 7. So we will get answer like this. We will get the 3 by the matrix 7, 0, 0, 0, 7, 0, 0, 0, 7. Now we want to add these 3 matrices. We can add corresponding terms. Answer will be 2 minus 10, minus 8 plus 7, that is minus 1. Then 7 minus 15, minus 8 plus 0, minus 8. 7 minus 5, 2 plus 0, 2. Then 0 minus or minus 5 plus 5, 5 plus 0 will get 5. Then minus 1 minus 0 plus 7, minus 1 plus 7 equal to 6. Then minus 3 minus 10, minus 13 plus 0, minus 13 you will get here. Then this is 0 plus 0 minus 5, that is minus 5 plus 0, minus 5 you will get. Then 2 minus 5, minus 3 plus 0, minus 3 you will get. Then 4 plus 5, that is 9 plus 7 equal to 16. Is the answer. Now consider next question. If f of x equal to a matrix cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1, then show that f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y. That means you have to show the left hand side equal to right hand side. If f of x equal to this matrix, what about f of y? F of y will be cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. And if you multiply that two matrices, you have to get right hand side as f of x plus y. F of x plus y means you have to get elements like that. Cos x plus y minus sin x plus y 0, sin x plus y, cos x plus y 0, 0, 0, 1. Like that matrix you have to get on the right hand side. So first we will find left hand side, that is f of x into f of y, that is equal to matrix cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1 into matrix f of y. F of y means cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Now we want to multiply these two matrices. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. So resultant matrix will be a 3 by 3 matrix. So we can write elements like this. A11, first row, first column you have to multiply. So corresponding elements cos x into cos y. Then second element means minus sin x into sin y. 0 into 0, 0. That means this is A11. Now A12, first row, second column, that is cos x into minus sin y minus cos x sin y, then minus sin x into cos y minus sin x cos y will get. Then A13, 1, 3. Cos x into 0, 0, minus sin x 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. So A13 will be 0. Now A21, second row, first column, sin x into cos y, sin x into cos y. Then second element, you have to multiply with the second. So cos x plus cos x into sin y. Then 0 into 0, 0. Right. Second row and first column. A21 we have to find. So sin x cos y plus cos x sin y plus 0. Now A22, second row, second column. So sin x into minus sin y minus sin x sin y plus cos x into cos y, that is cos x cos y. Now a 2 3 2 3, sin x is 0 0, cos x is 0 0, 0 into 1, so I get 0. This a 3 1, third row first column. So corresponding elements 0 into cos y 0, 0 into sin y 0, 1 into 0, 0 will get here. Then this is a 3 2, 3 2 you have to multiply. So 0 0 0. Then a 3 3, third row and third column. So 0 into 0 0 plus 0, 1 into 1 1 will get like this. Now here you have to use trigonometric results. So cos x cos y minus sin a sin y, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b equal to cos a plus b. So cos x cos y minus sin a sin y will be cos x plus y. That is identity. Now from these two we can take minus outside. Then you will get sin s cos y plus cos s sin y. Minus of sin s cos y plus cos s sin y. Take minus 1 first. So sin s cos y plus cos s sin y means sin x plus y. So this will be minus of sin x plus y. Then a13 it is 0. Now this element will be sin s cos y plus cos s sin y. Direct formula, that is sin x plus y. Then this is cos s cos y. First we will take this one. Cos s cos y minus sin s sin y. That is cos x plus y. Then this element is 0. Now a31 0 0. This one we need not change. If f of x equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin s cos x 0 0 0 1, f of x plus y will be cos x plus y minus sin x plus y 0, sin x plus y cos x plus y 0 0 0 1. That matrix you are getting here. So this is equal to f of x plus y. Now consider question number 5. That is, if a equal to 0 0 2 0, find a raised to 20. A raised to 20 means you have to multiply a 20 times. But this question is very easy. First you have to find a square. What is a square? 0 0 2 0 into 0 0 2 0. So this element will be first row first column 0 plus 0, so you get 0 here. A12 1 2 0, 2 1, 2 into 0 plus 0 into 2, that is 0. A22 2 2, 2 into 0, again 0. So a square is a 0 matrix. That means what about a cube? A cube means a square into a. It will be a 0 matrix. So same way, a raised to 20 will be a 0 matrix. Now we can do one more question. If matrix 3 4 2x into x1 is equal to 19 15, find x. Simple only. Just you have to multiply left hand side. So 2 by 2 into 2 by 1 matrix, you will get a 2 by 1 matrix. That means 2 row and 1 column. A11, A21. So in order to get A11, you have to take first row and first column, multiply corresponding elements. So you will get 3x plus 4. Then A21, second row, first column, 2x plus x into 1, x you will get, equal to 19 15. So just now I have to equate corresponding elements. So 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. Otherwise, we can take 3x equal to 15. We will get x equal to 5. From this equation also we get same value. That is 3x equal to 15. We get x equal to 5. These are some important questions from multiplication section. Dear students, I want to remind you one thing. Please complete assignments on time. Okay.